You can copy artists for years and still feel like your art is not improving. You follow every tutorial, but the moment it ends, your mind goes blank. You feel empty, nothing moves onto the paper. Then you are stuck in the tutorial trap. You've practiced your hand, but not your artistic brain. To break this cycle, you don't need more how-tos, you need to decode the logic behind the art. And that is exactly what I'll show you in this video. But first understand one thing. The goal is here not to make a beautiful drawing. If you focus too much on making it look good, you'll miss the logic. We are focusing on decisions, not appearance. So let's dive in. And let's limit the task, because limitation brings clarity. One motive, one artist. We'll use a cat as our laboratory, drawn by the French artist Théophile Alexandre Steinlen. Exploration 1. The searching line. Look closer at this drawing. A sleeping cat, sketched multiple times on one paper. The message for you is, stop trying to be perfect. Steinlen's lines are searching. He traces what the eye sees, not what the brain thinks a cat looks like. The lines are light, testing and tactile. You can actually feel his hand exploring the cat. What you see here is eye-hand coordination in its rawest form. The hand is tracing what the eye actually sees. This unfinished quality allows the drawing to breathe. It doesn't need to be fully explained or polished to the last detail. Your task? Copy this image, but not to reproduce it. Copy it to understand. Stop when you feel you've understood the drawing. No cleanup, no correction. Then choose your own motive, take a real object or an animal and treat it the same way. Sketch, search and keep it open. Let the line stay loose. When you're done, relax, put it aside and don't judge it immediately. Remember, we are building logic, not a beauty contest. Exploration 2. Contrast and shape. Take a look at this drawing. What can we learn from it? This image is built through strong black and white contrast and blocks of shape, no details. Steinlen also used toned paper and treated the white as an active color, not as a passive background. Your task? Copy this image, not to imitate it, but to understand it. Use toned paper and treat white as an active color. Stop the moment you understand what he was doing. No cleanup, no smoothing. Let the marks stay rough. Then choose your own motive. It can be an object or an animal. Treat it with the method you just explored. Stay open, experiment, walk into the unknown. Stop when you start to smooth the image and don't judge the result too quickly. Remember, contrast is not decoration, it is structure. Exploration 3. Curves become signs. Now take a look at these drawings and ask, how little does it take for a cat to appear? These drawings are stylized cats that becomes visual stamps and symbols. Almost like a calligraphic sign, they carry the essence of the readable form. These drawings teach us reduction and abstraction. Your task? Turn the cat into a compact visual sign. Copy this image, not to reproduce the result, but to understand the process of reduction. Stop the moment the cats are readable. No cleanup, no finishing. Then choose your own motive and treat it the same way. Turn it into a visual sign. Have fun, experiment, let the flow decide where you go. And remember, the goal is not detail, the goal is recognition. Exploration 4. Painted presence. Take a look at this painted cat. It is built from a soft painted mass. Forget outlines, let the body emerge through washes and weight. It's about atmosphere, not anatomy. Your task? Copy this image, not to reproduce it, but to understand the process and the behavior of the paint. Let the paint do the work. Stop the moment the mass and the ground start to breathe together. Then choose your own motive and use a technique you just experienced. Have fun, experiment and see how the process might lead you in a complete different direction than you thought. And remember, atmosphere can carry the image before anatomy does. If this feels overwhelming to you or like too much information, but you still want to join the drawing process, I've made a simple drawing guide to get you started. You can download it, the link is in the description. And don't give up, there's always a way to keep going. Now we come to my favorite part. I call it Fail Friday. This is exploration number 5. We all have that stack of drawings we hope no one ever sees. Today, that stack becomes your most important tool. Look back at the last 4 days and pick the drawing you want to throw away. Why? Because discomfort contains information. You didn't fail, your ego just hasn't let go of the initial idea yet. Show it, don't hide it, and post your accident on Patreon. Seeing your failure through other people's eyes is a first step towards your own visual language. It can help you notice unknown patterns. Your task? Recognize what has actually emerged. For this, we need the power of the group. Others aren't stuck in your head. They see the drawing for that what it is, not for what you wanted it to be. My Patreon community is a safe space to share your results and get positive feedback on your work. And I host this challenge regularly, so just join in. And if you want to try it for free, write free Patreon months in the comments and I'll send you the link. And remember, we are building resilience and searching for new paths, not walking the old ones. Exploration 6. Change one variable. Look back at your work from the last days. Take one drawing from this week and redraw it, but change exactly one thing. It can be the scale, the tool, the background. You are now controlling the visual language. Play, experiment, have fun with it. Every small change shifts the message of the image. It's about building a conscious relationship with your tools and your visual elements. Remember, one change can shift the entire logic of the image. Now we have arrived at Exploration 7. I call it Lazy Sunday. After a week of exploring and analyzing, today the goal is no goal. No structure, no plan. Just doodle without a destination. It doesn't need to be useful. Why is it important? Because letting go of your analyzing brain is one of the most powerful tools in your art. So relax, enjoy the process. And remember, your own voice often appears when you stop forcing the drawing to become something. I hope this helped you, and if you want to work together with me, just let me know in the comments. I would also love to hear how it worked for you. And if you need another starting point right now, watch this video next.